Did you know? Another way to ease snoring is with an anti-snoring mouthpiece. A common type of anti-snoring mouthpiece is the mandibular advancement device. As the name suggests, it helps by moving the lower jaw slightly forward, which helps to reduce snoring. Another common type of anti-snoring mouthpiece is the tongue stabilizing device. This works by preventing the tongue base from rolling back into the throat. One study showed that the tongue stabilizing device reduced snoring intensity by 68%. I would say those are pretty good results. Thanks for watching. Until then, sleep well.